This is the top 7 folding scooters in China are redefining urban mobility. Number 7, say hello to the Loop e-bike. The Loop e-bike is foldable with a robust motor. It's your ticket to effortlessly navigating urban streets. It's like something out of a futuristic dream. Number 6, get ready to meet the Shansone AK. With a powerful 350W motor, the folding e-bike that's turning heads and redefining convenience. It's perfect for zipping through the city or cruising scenic paths. Number 5, imagine a bike with a swappable battery for seamless power, a foldable frame that tucks into the back of a sedan, and advanced suspension ready for off-road adventures. Its puncture-proof tires, a precise braking system. It's built to handle rugged terrains and urban commutes, with equal flair delivering top speeds of 30 miles per hour and conquering steep inclines effortlessly. Number 4, the Yadia Solo e-scooter is revolutionizing urban commuting. This foldable wonder isn't just about convenience, it's packed with power. Imagine a sleek, fully electric scooter that folds effortlessly, making storage and transport debris with a range designed to keep you going for miles. Number 3, introducing the JBH Bumblebee Smart Folding Mobility Scooter. This compact electric scooter folds effortlessly and automatically in just seconds, boasting an impressive range of up to 20 kilometers on a single charge and user-friendly controls for a seamless riding experience. It's designed for versatility, whether indoors or outdoors. Number 2, say hello to the wilderty 3-wheeled family electric scooter, the ultimate blend of style, stability, and convenience with its innovative 3-wheel design. It delivers unmatched balance and control, giving riders a smooth and secure experience. Every time the process is so quick and simple, you'll be ready to roll in no time. This isn't just any electric scooter. It folds and unfolds in seconds into a compact package that fits in most car trunks, making it incredibly easy to store or carry along. Plus, it comes with detachable baskets, adding extra convenience for shopping errands or family outings, designed with families in mind. This scooter is perfect for everything from daily commutes to fun weekend adventures. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking it easy in your neighborhood, it's built for safe and steady rides. Powering the wilderty is a robust 450-watt motor reaching a top speed of 21 kilometers per hour. Plus, with a pure electric range of 30 to 35 kilometers, you can go farther without worrying about charging. Number 1, what this is: the Stoma Smart Folding Mobility Scooter. It features a lightweight aluminum frame and folds in seconds, making it easy to store or transport in a car trunk. It supports up to 120 kilograms, ideal for indoor and outdoor use. It offers up to 20 kilometers of range on a single charge. The scooter includes a comfortable seat. It combines portability with reliability, perfect for commuting or short trips. A compact electric ride design for convenience, adjustable armrests, and intuitive controls for smooth operation. What do you think about this video? Is it durable to use? Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.